Welcome to this comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to install outdoor ceramic floor tiles. In this video, we'll walk you through every detail of the process, from surface preparation to the final finishing touches, ensuring that you achieve professional results in your outdoor courtyard or patio. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional craftsman, this guide will give you the confidence and knowledge to tackle your ceramic tile installation with precision and excellence. Step 1. Surface preparation. The foundation is everything. Begin by cleaning the outdoor area where you will install the ceramic tiles. Remove any debris, old materials, or uneven surfaces. Level the ground using cement and sand mixture and ensure proper drainage slope. Step 2. Planning the layout. Before laying any tiles, plan your layout carefully. Use a chalk line to mark reference lines on the surface. This will help you maintain straight lines and symmetry throughout the installation. Step 3. Mixing the mortar. Use a high-quality outdoor tile, adhesive or mortar. Mix it to the right consistency using a mechanical mixer. Avoid mixing too much at once to prevent it from drying out. Before application. Step 4. Spreading the mortar with a notch trowel. Spread the mortar evenly on a small section of the surface. Work in manageable areas to ensure the adhesive remains workable while you set the tiles. Step 5. Placing the tiles. Carefully place each tile onto the mortar bed, pressing it down firmly. Use tile spacers to ensure even spacing between tiles. Tap the tiles lightly with a rubber mallet to set them in place. Step 6. Cutting the tiles. Use a wet tile saw or a manual tile cutter to trim tiles to fit edges and corners. Measure twice before cutting to minimize waste and ensure accurate fitting. Step 7. Checking the level as you lay tiles. Use a level regularly to check for evenness. Adjust tiles as needed before the mortar sets. Step 8. Let the mortar cure. Allow the mortar to dry and cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes 24 hours. Step 9. Grouting the joints after the mortar has cured. Remove the tile spacers and apply grout using a rubber float. Press the grout firmly into the joints and wipe away excess with a damp sponge. Step 10. Final cleaning and sealing. Once the grout has dried, clean the tiles with a damp cloth to remove any haze. Seal the grout in tiles if recommended, especially in high moisture or outdoor areas. Maintenance tips. To keep your outdoor ceramic floor looking great, sweep regularly and wash with mild detergent. Inspect for loose tiles or cracks and repair them promptly to avoid further damage.
Advanced tips and techniques for outdoor ceramic tile installations. Step 1. Surface preparation. In-depth. Start by evaluating the condition of your outdoor space. If the area is sloped incorrectly, you might face water pooling issues. Use a spirit level and slope gauge to verify the surface gradient. Ideally, the slope should be around 1.5% away from buildings. After cleaning the surface of dirt, oil, or moss, consider applying a bonding agent to improve mortar adhesion. If the surface is cracked, reinforce it with a mesh or concrete patching before leveling. Step 2. Design and layout planning. Visualize your space with graph paper or digital tools. Try different layout patterns, such as running, bond, herringbone, or grid. Account for expansion joints, especially in large areas. These joints will allow for movement due to temperature changes. Mark control lines perpendicular to walls to avoid tile drift. Dry lay a row to visualize the result before mixing mortar. Step 3. Mortar mixing tips. Outdoor installations require mortar that can handle temperature fluctuations and moisture. Polymer modified thinset is ideal. Add water slowly while mixing to avoid lumps. The mixture should resemble peanut butter, thick, but not dry or watery. Let its slake rest for 5 to 10 minutes, then remix without adding water. Step 4. Applying mortar, like a pro trowel size, matters. For large format tiles, use a 1/2 inch notch. For smaller tiles, a 1/4 inch notch is often enough. Back buttering the tiles. Spreading thinset on the back enhances adhesion, especially for porcelain or textured tiles. Work in small areas so the mortar doesn't skin over dry on the surface before tiles are placed. Step 5. Precise tile placement. Place each tile firmly into the bed with a slight twisting motion. This helps ensure full mortar contact. Use a leveling system with clips and wedges to avoid lippage uneven tile edges. Maintain consistent joint spacing using spacers. Step 6. Cutting. Tiles accurately measured carefully, and mark tiles with a pencil or grease marker. Use a wet saw with a diamond blade for smooth edges. For curves or corners, use a tile nipper or angle grinder. Always wear safety goggles and gloves during cutting. Step 7. Checking levels and alignment as you lay tiles. Constantly check horizontal and vertical alignment. A laser level can improve accuracy. Use a straightedge or spirit level to find any high spots and adjust them while the mortar is still fresh. Step 8. Proper curing. Process. Do not walk on tiles for at least 24 to 48 hours. Avoid wet conditions or heavy loads during this time. Protect the area with barriers if needed. Curing time varies by temperature and humidity, so always follow product guidelines. Step 9. Applying grout. The right way. Choose a grout that matches your tile and environment. For outdoors, epoxy or polymer modified grout is preferred. Apply diagonally across joints to fill them completely. After 10 to 15 minutes, clean the tiles with a damp sponge. Rinsing frequently. Step 10. Final cleaning and ongoing protection. Use a haze remover if any grout film remains. Once the surface is clean and dry, apply a penetrating sealer if the tiles are porous. For continuous protection, reapply the sealer every 1 to 2 years. Protect your floor from furniture scratches using rubber pads or outdoor rugs. Common mistakes. To avoid not checking for level and slope skipping expansion. Joints. Using indoor adhesive or grout. Walking on tiles too early. Not sealing porous tiles. Seasonal maintenance guide. In winter, avoid using salt on tiled areas. Instead, use sand or a snow shovel with a rubber edge. Inspect grout annually for cracks and reseal if necessary. Wash the area with a pressure washer at a safe angle, not directly into grout lines. Benefits of outdoor ceramic tiling. Ceramic tiles are water-resistant, easy to clean, and available in various colors and styles. They resist UV fading, and with proper installation, can last for decades in outdoor settings. They add value to your home and create a stylish, functional space for relaxation or entertainment. Expert advice for longevity. Outdoor ceramic tile installations face harsh conditions such as rain, sun, and freezing temperatures. To ensure durability, always follow regional climate guidelines when selecting materials. Avoid shortcuts during installation, and invest in high-quality grout and sealants. Regular inspections every 6 months can prevent minor issues from becoming major repairs. Document your installation process for future reference or resale value. With the right maintenance and care, your outdoor tile floor will remain a beautiful and functional asset for years to come. Ultimate Outdoor Ceramic Tile Installation Extended Guide. Welcome back to the most complete and practical step-by-step guide for installing outdoor ceramic floor tiles. This extended version dives deeper into each stage of the process and introduces advanced tips, common mistakes, safety practices, and maintenance advice, giving you everything you need for a successful and long-lasting tile project. Step 1. Surface Preparation Advanced. Method. Surface preparation is the foundation of a perfect tile job. Beyond cleaning and leveling, you must assess the soil condition, weather impact, and drainage flow. Remove all dust, loose particles, grease, and organic matter. Use a pressure washer if the surface is very dirty or stained. Compact, loose ground with a plate compactor before laying any mortar bed. Check slope with a laser level. Ideal outdoor drainage slope, 1.5 to 2%. Away from buildings. Prime the surface with an outdoor tile bonding primer to enhance adhesion. Step 2. Planning the tile layout. Tile layout is more than just symmetry. It's about durability and aesthetics. Use CAD software or graph paper to simulate your layout. Choose patterns like straight lay, clean and simple, brick bond, running bond. Great for hiding imperfections. Diagonal adds visual width and elegance. Modular pattern combines different tile sizes for dynamic designs. Account for border tiles, cut areas, and obstacles like posts or drains. Step 3. Choosing the right mortar and mixing techniques for outdoor use. Polymer-modified thin-set mortar is highly recommended. Always check the temperature and humidity before mixing. Extreme heat can cause mortar to dry too fast. Let the mortar slake rest after mixing for 10 minutes. Then remix it without adding more water. Mix only the amount you can apply in 20 to 30 minutes. Mortar should be creamy, not watery or overly stiff. Step 4. Applying the mortar like a prowse. A notched trowel, appropriate for your tile size. Tile size trowel notch size up to 30 by 30 centimeters, 1/4 x 1/4 60 by 60 centimeters, and above 1/2 x 1/2 heavy porcelain, back butter, each tile applied mortar, evenly using consistent pressure. Don't cover too wide an area, at once only work. In small sections, keep the notches straight. Wavy lines reduce adhesion efficiency. Step 5. Tile laying process. Lay tiles from the center of the surface outward. Press the tile down gently, then twist slightly for full contact. Use tile leveling systems, clips plus wedges for large format tiles to avoid lippage, uneven surfaces. Use plastic spaces between tiles for consistent joints. Step 6. Tile cutting. Best practices: use a wet saw with a diamond blade for straight cuts. For circular or U-shaped cuts around pipes, use an angle grinder. Always wear safety goggles and gloves. Mark your cut lines clearly with a pencil or grease marker. Step 7. Leveling and alignment. Use a spirit level or laser level regularly. Check all directions, vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. Correct uneven tiles immediately before the mortar sets. Step 8. Curing time. Allow tiles to cure undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Cover the area with plastic sheeting or canvas in hot or rainy weather. Avoid walking or placing weight on the tiled area during this time. Step 9. Grouting process. Elect outdoor rated grout, preferably polymer modified or epoxy-based dot. Use a rubber float to apply grout diagonally across the tiles. Press firmly to ensure deep penetration into joints. Wait 10 to 20 minutes. Then clean off excess with a damp sponge. Rinse sponge often and change water as needed. Step 10. Final cleaning and sealing. After grout has dried, usually 24 hours. Clean tile surface again. Apply penetrating sealer, especially on natural stone or textured ceramics. Reapply sealer every 12 to 18 months for long-term protection. Tools and equipment checklist: notched trowel ruber, mallet laser level or spirit level tile, spacer style leveling system, wet saw mixing paddle and bucket grout, float grout sponge, safety gloves and glasses. Common installation mistakes to avoid mistake: solution uneven surface, always level and slope properly before tiling. Wrong mortar type use: polymer modified mortar for outdoors. Skipping expansion joints. Add flexible joints every 3 to 5 meters. Walking before curing ends. Wait full 48 hours if necessary. Not sealing grout. Use a penetrating sealer